got smacked in this left rear corner. I have a Volkswagen Tiguan here. Got smacked in this left rear corner and destroyed this quarter panel extension down here, and it also slightly rolled the taillight pocket and the rear body panel right at the edges. I'll repair those once I get it all cut apart. First, I'm gonna make a quick pull on this and roughly pull all this damage out before I start cutting the panel off, just to get everything shifted back to where it's supposed to be. And then I will get this quarter panel cut off and start fitting my new one up. Today's episode is brought to you by my friends at Panther Pro and their complete fit glass system. Many of you can absolutely lift a windshield out all by yourself. You could even sit one all by yourself. However, this is destroying your shoulders and back. Not to mention the risk of possibly nicking the paint on either side of the windshield or on the hood or the roof. Anything's possible. I've seen it happen before. Whenever you're trying to sit a windshield all by yourself, it's very, very awkward. My friends at Panther Pro made this process very simple. You just drive over the base, set up the arm, and it sets up in less than 2 minutes. Very, very simple. You have a controller to control the speed, the up and down speed, and you could easily, slowly lift a windshield out or sit the new one back in all by yourself. Stop distracting your other employees. Stop destroying your shoulders and back. Go to pantherpro.com and get yours ordered today. So I am marking my final cut points on this new quarter panel where Volkswagen wants to get sectioned in at. So I started off and they want 140 millimeters up from the edge right here, which I have marked right here. So that'll be my final cut right there. Then they want 100 millimeters down from this top point right here. And then the bottom point, they want 400 millimeters, which is almost where it came at, slightly shorter. So I have this quarter panel roughly sitting on here, and it has a nice even door gap. Currently, the new panel is overlapping the old panel on the car by about an inch or so. So I'm going to scribe this. Then I will go ahead and lift this panel back off, and I'll trim each of these joints back to the scribe line, and that'll give me a perfect cut. So I just about have this one all fit together. My door gap's nice and even. Everything in here in the back is lining up nice and even. So this one's just about ready to weld on. However, I'm gonna have to lift it back off to put some bonding adhesive on the backside, and then I will put it on permanently.
Mm.